Which expression is equivalent to 24 times 807? All right, looks like they want us to break up 24 and 807 and write it out like this. Now, look, realistically, this is a calculator problem. What you could do is you could type that into your calculator, get a number, type all of these into your calculator, get a number, and whichever one of these matches up with that, you're good to go. But that's not what they want you to do. They want you to say that 24 is the same thing as 20 plus 4. Then they want you to say that 807 is the same thing as 800 plus 7. Now, when you multiply something with two terms to multiply it to something else with two terms, you take turns multiplying each term here in red to each term here in blue. So what you would do first is do 20 times 800. So 20 times 800. Then you're going to add 20 times 7. So 20 times 7. Now it's 4's turn. Add 4 times 800. So 4 times 800. And then add 4 times 7. 4 times 7. Now this process is called foiling. First, outer, inner, last. Okay? That might be something you'll deal with in Algebra 1, but that's what it's called. Now, I did that, but it's not the order they want me to put it in. So let me see. 20 times 800. Let me see. You don't have any of that. 20 times 800, no. 20 times 800, yes and yes. 4 times 800, yes and yes. 20 times 7, yes and no. And 4 times 7, yes and no. So the answer for this one is C.